I've been using the RK61 for almost 3 years, and today I finally upgraded my keyboard. Today I got the Keychron V1 and it's been long overdue, to be honest. I've been using this, which is the RK61, for almost 3 years, like I said, and God knows how I even get by using this thing. Most of the keys ain't working, so I had to make this switch. I just love the overall aesthetics of Keychron keyboards. This is the keyboard here which I've been using from now on. This is the Keychron V1. It's at swappable. It's not gasket mount, it's tray mounted, but that's okay for me. You can change the keycaps, you can change the switches and all that thing. But I'm just gonna make you hear how this thing sounds straight from the factory. So yeah, this is the sound test of the Keychron V1. Hope you enjoy. That's how this keyboard sounds. Let me know down in the comment section if you like it, if you pick one up and all that stuff. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do that, because I have a ton of video coming on this keyboard as well, and also many other different things. Stay tuned, because I'll be modding and customizing this keyboard to its limit. So yeah, I'll definitely catch you guys in my next video. Peace.